Hey there, I'm Linda, and I've got something super important to share with you today. Buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans on Joint Restore Gummies, and trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. First things first, let me guide you through the ropes of this joint-saving journey. Picture this: aching joints, chronic pain, the whole shebang. If you've been nodding along, then Joint Restore Gummies might just be your ticket to sweet relief. But before you dive headfirst into the world of joint revival, heed my warning: tread carefully when choosing where to snag your supply. This magic elixir is exclusive to its official website, and I've done you a solid by dropping the link down below. Click it, thank me later. Now, let's cut to the chase. Does Joint Restore Gummies live up to the hype? You betcha! It's a game changer, specially crafted to ease the agony of those creaky joints. Imagine saying goodbye to knee, back, and joint pain. That's the magic these gummies bring to the table. What's in this potion, you ask? A sprinkle of full-spectrum CBD, a dash of Boswellia serrata extract, and just a hint of cane sugar sweetness. CBD, the hero of the story, swoops in like a non-addictive superhero, battling inflammation and restoring your body to its former glory. And here's the kicker: it's all scientifically proven. These gummies aren't just a bunch of hype. They're the real deal. People are singing praises, experiencing relief, and you can too. But wait, there's more. I've got a juicy tidbit for you. This isn't your run-of-the-mill purchase. You can test drive Joint Restore Gummies for a full 60 days. Don't see the results you hoped for? No problem. They'll hand your money back, no questions asked. That's a promise. But, and it's a big but, you've got to take this seriously. Pop those gummies religiously every single day, or you'll be missing out on the magic. Results might peek through in the first month, but the real transformation? It takes about 3 months. Patience is key, my friend. And the best part? No side effects. Yup, you heard me right. It's all natural goodness, so you won't be battling any unwanted surprises. So, in a nutshell, watch out for those sketchy websites, commit to the treatment, and get ready to bid farewell to joint pain. I'm crossing my fingers that Joint Restore Gummies will be your newfound ally in the battle against discomfort. Here's to a pain-free, fabulous life. You've got this.